Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people on YouTube. And welcome back to William in Japan. Happy New Year to you all. As we come across the American Embassy actually in Tokyo. Well, hope you enjoyed your holidays. I sure had a very busy one, hence I actually missed one video update. My apologies on that. And today you join me right after work heading towards home. Well, I like to take the time and this chance to actually give you guys a quick update of 2024 for my plans on this channel. Alright, let's hit the road. Right, welcome back guys, as we are approaching the Katsudoki area. Tokyo as a whole was, since the Edo period, a city struggling with space. So ever since back in the 1500s, Edo City itself has started doing landfills and has been inching out towards the Tokyo Bay ever since. And the Katsudoki area is one of the more newer parts that has been landfilled. And as you can see, skyscrapers all around us. These are all apartments, very expensive, very plush. Definitely one of the more fancy areas of Tokyo. But I digress. Back to 2024. Well, you know, I lost my dream bike, unfortunately. But that doesn't mean we're stuck with no content, right? In 2023, I was pretty focused on updating on a schedule. I did try one video per week. I did miss 1 and 2 here and there. It happens. I can't really fulfill that schedule to 100%, but I did at least try. But the older viewers of this channel will know my content is quite kind of a one-dimensional one. But this is what I really wanted to do. Show you guys through a motorcyclist point the roads of Japan, enjoying the scenery. Maybe try out some food in the future, I don't know, but at least I'm sticking with that formula in 2024 as well. Of course, there may be some bike reviews here and there when I get the chance to rent out something I'm interested in. But unfortunately, renting a bike in Japan is pretty expensive. A full day's ride maybe costs around $200. Maybe less, 150 to 200, depends on what you're renting. But as I mentioned, it's not very cheap, and it is definitely a somewhat of a investment on my end in order to continue this YouTube project, which of course is run beside my day job as a little hobby. For this bike, the Street Triple, I am definitely going to get some more parts, some more mods in the near future. And like last year, I actually already purchased more carbon parts from Carbon FBR. And soon they should be delivered to me and I can start bolting them onto this bike. By the way, this is the Toyosu market, the fish market that was moved here after they tear down Tsukiji. So this whole area will be full with restaurants very soon. I heard they are going to open up this year, and definitely looks like a tourist attraction to me. I digress again. Anywho, parts will be bolted on to the Triumph Street Triple. I still have a lot of things I want to do to it. As I mentioned before, I hate gloss black, and this bike has a lot of gloss black parts. It's plastic parts. Not if they are proper painted on metal parts, like the aluminum tank, which this does not have, unfortunately. It may be better to live with, but they are all plastic parts and they scratch up very easily. So yeah, they all have to go. And carbon parts will replace them and hopefully keep it like a OEM bike with a bit more of flair. Other than that, I'm still pondering, I should put it that way. Should I get a new bike or not? I bought this bike hopefully that this can do it all for me. But unfortunately that failed again. For myself, yeah, it's basically a do-it-all. But I still lack the last part of picking up my wife and heading out together, which of course the street triple is not good for. The seat is small, is very little padded, and yeah, it's not comfortable. So maybe I'll start heading back into the bike market and digging out something else. Definitely something cheaper to get her on the back again. We will see. It is a long year. Lots of things may happen. Personally though, my day job has taken a big twist and I will be very busy in the near future. So I'll try to keep my promise of one video per week. But looking at what my schedule is in the next few quarters, that will be a very hard promise to keep. I'll show you guys as much as I can, but life is how life is. Sometimes there are boundaries that we cannot cross, right? So, a quick summary. New bike? Maybe. More roads to explore? Definitely. New parts for a street triple? Already in the mail, waiting for them to be delivered. Yeah, so I am definitely still excited to show you guys around Japan on this great motorcycle. Short video today, my apologies. It's more of an update than the proper video. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed the Tokyo waterfront. This has been William. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.